Cancer in this region, of late we have noticed increase in such issues, especially it's in Keses area. There are regions in this county that the cancers have increased, and but now we have increased the sensitization. Our sensitization approach has been improved. Very many people now are aware about cervical cancer and how to prevent. It is caused by the human papilloma virus. We have now free screening and treatment of cervical cancer. 10 of our staff have been taught on how to do the lip procedure and how to use the thermoablation procedure. This is for early cancer prevention. If cervical cancer is noted early in advance, it is preventable. So in Uasingishu County, we have 40 facilities that do free screening, and we have 12 facilities that do treatment.
Machines from the CHAI partners. We received 2 machines. We have a machine called colposcopy machine. This is a machine we used for screening. Then we also have another machine called the lip machine. Lip machine is used for treating. We are talking about cervical cancer screen and treatment.